Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to block a contact on email. Firstly, when you get up into the application, you need to get up into this contact section, which you can get up right here on the third side. And here guys, you're gonna find out all setups which are on your contact settings. You need to select, for example, this person, and then if you want to get up and take that responsibility to block this contact, tap on your three dots on the right upper side. Then you're gonna find out these setups, go for it, and now click again on the three dots. And here guys, it will shows up delete contact. With this deleting contact, you can simply block that contact, or you can block it from right here. If you tap on it, you can block this contact. Just go block. And now guys, as you can see, this contact has been blocked on email. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.